find out why this phone is the perfect choice for those seeking a blend of style and power within a budget. Let's start things off with what's under the hood. Powering the Redmi 12 is the sensational Snapdragon 4th generation 2 octa-core processor, which is the first 4nm chipset of this segment and global debut with Redmi 12. This processor ensures smooth multitasking, faster app response and reliable performance on all your daily usage. Not only this, it's one of the most affordable 5G ready smartphones in the segment. Get the 5G power to stream high-resolution content or download heavy files in a snap, or even use your smartphone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Redmi has nailed the perfect balance between performance and price, making it an absolute steal for the tech-savvy and budget-focused buyers. To make the performance even better, the Redmi 12 5G offers up to 8GB of inbuilt RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM. Multitasking has never been this smooth. You can switch between apps seamlessly, execute heavy tasks and more swiftly without any noticeable lag. Now, let's talk about one of the standout features of Redmi 12 5G, its design. Feast your eyes on the crystal glass design with an infinite camera deco, which gives the smartphone an ultra premium look. Not only that, the phone comes with glass back with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It's not just a smart